Here, everything is available. Even the designs I have done and saved, those are also available over here. Then there are lots of logo options, Facebook posts, YouTube channels, Facebook covers. The benefit is that all of these templates already have the desired dimension for whatever platform you are designing. For like the Facebook cover, this is the Facebook cover size, so you don't have to worry what dimension is going to be. Is it going to fit the page or not? Is it going to be the right resolution or not? So there's some poster options here as well. Okay, there are lots of lovely posters over here. And what I can do is I can even create a blank one. I can put a blank poster and I can create everything from scratch for myself. What shall we edit? Which one is nice? Let's go with this one. This is nice. Mint green leaves, tropical. This is a very nice background. What it has is just some design elements, and then there's a quotation, and the website is written at the bottom of it. So what I can do here is I can change the background color, maybe to something a little more vibrant. I find this very dull. Maybe like this one. These elements are nice. What I can do here is I can even add some elements in the panel over here. There's an option of templates, uploads if I want to put some of my photos myself. Then there's this photos section. There's the text, heading, subheading. These some of the text templates are also available. Then there's videos. There is background. Okay, what I can do here is also I can even change the background to something very nice. Let's say I can take this one. This gives a more fun look. Like a paper. If I can just, decrease the opacity of this. Somehow I can make it bright. Okay, nothing is happening. Let's see, reset this. Oh, how am I supposed to make these lines lighter? Is there no opacity option? I guess there isn't. So, anyways, okay, I can add the brick wall option. Wow, this looks nice. This looks really amazing. Now let's go to elements, and since there are leaves, I think if I could add some nice flowers, it could be better. Since these leaves are very just a hand drawn kind of a look, so I'll see if I have something similar in flowers. Okay, here there's sketchy flowers. There's hand drawn objects. I can go to this one. Okay, I didn't find anything very interesting. Let's go back to elements and check out the sketchy flowers now. See all. Okay, this leaf here is nice. I can add this. I can just drag and drop. Yeah, it kind of, it's just kind of more complementing. Like, I don't like these flowers. Let me remove these. I can just select and I can click delete or select, delete, or maybe I can just do it from my keyboard. Delete, delete, this way, delete, and delete. So this leaf I'm placing over here, just rotating it a little, and I will take the same again. I place it over here, make the size a little smaller, rotate it to the right a little, pull this down. This one, again, I just let me pull it up a little. Nice, I like that. I can select another one. And, okay, take this. And place it over here. Okay, so what I can do here is I can even change this font. I can go to the text option, and here is the fonts. Let's try this one. Oh, okay, it's a premium font. Sorry, wrong click. Okay, let's go to. Okay, coincidentally, all the fonts that I like are the free ones. But anyways, let's try this. Now let's try this. This one is nice, and so is the one under me. Okay, this one I kind of like. I can decrease the font size from here to 104. Yeah, this looks nice. Okay, I don't want this website coming over here, so I'll just delete it. This looks good. Okay, I can even upload a font that I want. Though it's a premium feature, but if you have any of the files, the font files downloaded, you can add those, which is a pretty good feature. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, I think this is done, so I'll just download this. I will save it as JPEG with low quality. Download. Yay, we are done with the second design as well. Save. So many people are often looking for a very nice resume design, but they're confused how to do it. They're not able to get the right layout, the right colors, the right fonts. So here is this amazing option for designing a very professional looking resume. I will take, let's say, this one, and I can replace this picture over here with my own picture. I'll just go in the photo section and sorry, I'll go in the upload section and okay, yeah, what I have to, it just says that you have to drag it here from your desktop. So uh, here is a folder of my picture. I'll just drag one and I will put it over here. It's uploading. When the upload is complete, this bar will move. Oh, okay. Now I can just drag this over here and place here. Okay. So there you go. Now it's my picture and not the other guy's. I can change my name here. And all the other experiences provide, and you see how how well balanced this design is. So I don't really have to do a lot of work on it. I just have to replace the information with my personal information, and I will have a ready-made resume design here. Yay! This makes life easier. I can just download this. I can download it with the PDF format, which is a very safe and recommended one for a resume file. So I can download that. Now let's check some animated one. Let's go for Instagram story. So lots of options over here. These are for me. Okay, why do the free I delete that? Well, there's this coronavirus Instagram story, the Halloween theme, the newsroom, and there's this questions one, bingo, love, clean, minimal design, dark, modern theme, and let's try this one. Okay, these are the designs. Okay, I'm a little confused as these are pages. Now let's see if I download this as an MP4 video, what would happen? How will it look after downloading? I haven't made any changes to it, so because I just want to check it out. Okay, entitled design. Okay, let's play. Oh, okay, it's not really animating, it's just changing. The slides are just changing, so it's not really an animated version. I actually will try something that's an animated story. try this one. Okay, so basically the designs are all still images. It's just that they have added video files instead of pictures, so it just gives it a very animated look. A moving picture. This one is nice. Here, see the images are moving. If you check over here, and then my mouse is around this image, the things are moving. The videos are moving. So basically, it's um, the video file replaced instead of pictures. So it gives it more of a motion look. That's how we can do. Okay, let's come over here. The first one. I will just replace this. I'll upload a video over here. Just something very short. Yeah, let's see, let's have time to upload. And it's almost done. So now even I have my video in this template, and I think it looks pretty good. So I can just download this from here. This looks good. I can change the name over here or anything, and this looks pretty good. I can just download it, and then I will be able to upload it on my Instagram story. So this was our tutorial for Canva. I hope I was able to help you out understanding a lot of things. Leave some comments if you want to learn something specific, or if something is missed out and you would like me to share that with you or add it to my next tutorial. Take care, bye bye, keep following Digital Leader.